Gloex Factory Introduction. We are widely referred to by our customers as Gloex. Serve our customers globally. We have 2 manufacturing facilities with 20 years of production expertise. Gloex Wuhan facility, specializing in preformed pouch packing. Serving food, health products, and daily chemicals. Industrial. Handles powder, granules, liquids, gummies, capsules. Packing. Packing varies from small 60mm bags to large 3 kg packs. Speed options: 6, 8, 10 stations, and dual lane. Fully customizable, we tackle your real challenges. Gloex runs another factory in Changshan, manufacturing single-station and 4-station preformed bag machines, multi-lane packing machine and VFFS machine, double-lane VFFS as well. Plus engineering services from metering devices to complete integrated lines. Gloex specialized in manufacturing and offering packing machines, integrated packaging systems, and supply chain services.